Did you file your taxes weeks ago and still haven't seen your refund? You're not alone. Thousands of people are stuck in IRS limbo, and it's driving everyone crazy. But here's the thing, your refund delay might not be your fault. Today, we're breaking down exactly what's causing these holdups, when you can expect your money, and what you can do to speed things up. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where your refund stands and how to get it faster. And hey, if you want more updates like this, hit that subscribe button. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Hello everyone. First, let's talk about the biggest reason for delays, the IRS backlog. Every year, the IRS processes millions of returns, and this year is no exception. But here's the kicker. Some people are already getting their refunds, while others who filed at the same time are still waiting. Why? It all comes down to processing cycles and something called the PATH Act. If you claim the Earned Income Tax Credit, EITC, or the Additional Child Tax Credit, ACTC, your refund was legally held until mid-February. But even after that date, the IRS processes refunds in waves, not all at once. So if you're still waiting, it might just be a matter of timing. Here's where it gets interesting. The IRS uses something called processing cycles to handle returns. Some returns are processed daily, while others are on a weekly cycle. If you're in the weekly cycle, code 05, your refund status only updates once a week, usually on Thursdays. That means if your refund wasn't approved in the first wave, you might not see any movement until the next update. And if you're wondering why someone who filed after you already got their refund, it's not about when you filed, it's about which processing batch you're in. Now, let's talk about IRS transcript codes. These codes are like secret messages that tell you exactly what's happening with your refund. The one you want to see is code 846, Refund Issued. If you see this, your money is on the way. But if you see code 570, Additional Account Action Pending, it means the IRS is taking a closer look at your return. Don't panic, it could just be a routine check. Another code to watch for is code 971, Notice Issued. If you see this, the IRS has sent you a letter, and you'll need to check your mail for details. Speaking of letters, if your refund is delayed, you might get one explaining why. It could be something simple, like a mismatch in your income reporting, or it could be a request for identity verification. If you see code 810, Refund Frozen, it usually means the IRS needs you to confirm your identity before releasing your refund. And if your refund was reduced or offset, it could be due to unpaid taxes, child support, or student loans. In that case, you'll need to contact the agency responsible for the debt, not the IRS. Once the IRS sends your refund, how quickly you get it depends on your bank. Some online banks, like Chime, are known for releasing funds early, while traditional banks might hold your refund until the official payment date. So, if you see people saying they got their money early but yours isn't there yet, it could just be your bank's processing time. Alright, let's talk about what you can do if you're still waiting. First, stop refreshing the Where's My Refund tool every 5 minutes. It only updates once every 24 hours, so checking constantly won't help. Instead, check your IRS transcript for detailed updates. Look for code 846, and if you don't see it, check for other codes that might explain the delay. If your refund is significantly delayed and you're not getting answers, it might be time to call the IRS. Yes, it can be a hassle, but sometimes it's the only way to get clarity. So what's the bottom line? Most people will see their refunds between late February and early March. If you're in the weekly processing cycle, don't expect an update until your batch is processed. And if your return has any holds or extra reviews, those delays could stretch even longer. I know waiting is stressful, but staying informed can help you manage expectations. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on personal finance and tax updates. And if you're still waiting on your refund, drop a comment below. Let's share experiences and help each other out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.